Students, welcome on my video. In previous lecture we discussed average profit method and I hope you all are understood how to find value of goodwill by average profit method. Okay students, so now we are going on your new method number 2, weightage average profit method. So in this method students, first of all we have the three step number 1 is find the total weightage profit. Okay, so how to find total weightage profit? So first one is prepare the column of year, second column is profit, third one is weight, and fourth one is weightage profit. So first two columns are also given in this question, but on the base of these two columns we will find the third column and fourth column. Okay, then step number 2, WAP, that means weightage average profit, is equal to total weightage profit divided by total weight. Okay, and last one is step number 3, goodwill is equal to weightage average profit multiplied by purchasing year, and purchasing year is also given in the question. Okay, so please note down these all steps in your notebook and let me started your sum. So students, let me solve first sum number 6 in your exercise. From the following information find out weightage average profit. So here already given information about last 4 years, 2013-14, 2014-15, 2015-16, 2016-17. Okay, so in this information we can easily see the profit is constantly increased. That means here we find the weightage average profit. Constantly decrease हो रहा है तो भी हमें weightage average profit find करना है, कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीज हो रहा है प्रॉफिट तो भी हमें क्या करना है, वेटेज एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड से ही गुडविल फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो अब हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप है फाइंड द वेटेज एवरेज. सो स्टेप नंबर 1, find the total weightage profit. Okay, so we prepare the 4 column. First one is year, also given in the question. Second column is profit, also given in the question. So now let me find the third column, weight. So how to find weight? So जो फर्स्ट ईयर है उसको हम लोग क्या अलोकेट करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, 1. सेकेंड में इंक्रीज हो रहा है सो सेकेंड. थर्ड ईयर में हमारा क्या और भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है सो उसका वेटेज जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज हो रहा है प्रॉफिट वैसे वैसे हमारा वेटेज भी क्या होता जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स, इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ईयर में फर्स्ट, सेकंड को सेकंड, थर्ड को थर्ड, फोर्थ को फोर्थ. ओके, देन अब हाउ टू फाइंड वेटेज प्रॉफिट. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड वेट कॉलम. ओके, ये दोनों कॉलम का हमें क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो 60,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, दैट मीन्स आवर फर्स्ट ईयर वेटेज प्रॉफिट इज 60,000. ओके, देन फॉर द सेकेंड ईयर profit multiplied by weight, that means 70,000 multiplied by 2. So second year weightage profit is 1,40,000. Then for the third year 90,000 multiplied by 3, that means our weightage profit is 2,70,000. Understood students how to find weightage profit column? Okay, good. Then last one is 1,10,000 multiplied by 4, that means our weightage profit is 4,40,000. Okay, then let me find the step number 2. So what is our step number 2 students? So weightage average profit. Okay, so weightage average profit is equal to total weightage profit, total weightage profit divided by total weight. Okay, so how to find total weightage profit students? So addition of this column, weightage profit है वो कॉलम का हमें क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, एडिशन करना है. 60,000 प्लस 1,40,000 प्लस 2,70,000 plus 4,40,000. That means our total weightage profit is 9,40,000. 10,000. Okay, so our first is total weightage profit is 9,10,000 divided by total weight. So how to find total weight? So total of weight column, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that means our total weight is 10. So 9,10,000 divided by 10, that means our weightage profit is rupees 91,000. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारा सम कंप्लीट होता है. अब आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन होगा कि सर आपने गुडविल क्यों फाइंड नहीं की? बिकॉज इन दिस सम ओनली फाइंड आउट द वेटेज एवरेज प्रॉफिट. ओके, नॉट फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल. सो यहाँ पे हमें ओनली वेटेज एवरेज प्रॉफिट ही फाइंड करना है, जो हमने फाइंड कर लिया है, रुपीज़ 91,000. Okay, so I hope you all are understood how to find this weightage average profit. So please note down this sum in your notebook. Okay students, that is all. Another sum related to this method, sum number 7 from your exercise. Babulal and Kantilal firm determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of last 5 years weightage average profit. Okay, so यहाँ पे already given in the sum 3 years purchase. Okay, then let we find the step number 1. Step number 1 is find the total weightage profit. So how to find? So we prepare the 4 column. First one is year profit, both column is also given in the sum, and now we prepare the third column, weight. So how to find weight column? So first year allocated 1, second year we allocated 2, third year allocated 3, fourth year allocated 4 and fifth year allocated 5. ओके, जैसे जैसे ये प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज हो रहा है वैसे वैसे आपका वेटेज भी क्या होता जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. क्लियर? देन now we find the last column, weightage profit. So how to find weightage profit students? So multiplication of profit and weight column. So 40,000 multiplied by 1, that means 40,000. 60,000 multiplied by 2, that means 1,20,000. Then third one is 75,000 multiplied by 3, that means 2,25,000. Then fourth one is 90,000 multiplied by 4, that means 3,60,000. Then last one is 1,20,000 multiplied by 5, that means total weightage profit for the last year is 6 lakh. Okay, so now we find the step number 2. So students, what is the step number 2? So वेटेज एवरेज प्रॉफिट. सो मैं यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला नहीं पुट डाउन कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको लास्ट सम में और उसका जो स्टेप्स है वो भी मैंने आपको नोट डाउन करवा दिया है, बट आपको एग्जाम में फॉर्मूला कंपलसरी पुट डाउन करना है फर्स्ट. ओके, सो वेटेज एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू टोटल वेटेज प्रॉफिट. सो नाउ वी डू द एडिशन ऑफ दिस कॉलम. So 40,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 2,25,000 then plus 3,60,000 plus 6 lakh. That means total weightage profit is 13,45,000. Okay, so here we mention direct the value of total weightage profit 13,45,000 divided by total weightage. So how to find total weightage? So addition of this column 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus, that means our total weight is 15,000. So 13,45,000 divided by 15, that means our weightage profit is rupees 89,667. Okay, and here also given 3 years purchase, that means we find the step number 3, goodwill. So goodwill is equal to, what is the formula for goodwill students? So weightage average profit multiplied by purchasing year. Okay, purchasing year. That means what is our weighted average profit? So 89,667 multiplied by purchasing year, also given in the question 3 years purchase. That means multiply by 3. So after multiplication we get answer of goodwill is rupees 2,69,001 rupees. Okay students, so please note down this sum in your notebook. And here your second method, weighted average profit method, is also completed, and I hope you all are understood. So please note down all sum in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.